got your email right here, and it says you're having some issues with your Apple TV. So let's run through a little step-by-step on a restart and get you all set. Follow me.
If you have a URC remote, we'll use the directional arrows to navigate. And if you have an Apple remote, we'll use the touchpad to navigate. So get them ready. Now that your system is on, you should see this home screen. If you don't see the home screen, you might see this screen. This is screensaver mode. So let's go ahead and press menu. Now you should be at the home screen. Now we're ready to navigate through and find settings. So navigate left, right, up or down. So we want to go find the silver icon. It'll have the cog on the inside of the icon. So once we find that, let's go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring you to this screen. We'll navigate down. We want to highlight settings. The white tab is what's highlighted. So let's go down one more. There we go. Let's select system. It's going to take us into another screen. So we're going to navigate down, all the way down to restart. Make sure you're on restart now. It'll be highlighted in white. Now let's go ahead and select that. So now your Apple TV is restarting. It took mine about 20 seconds, so yours should be close to that. Once it's done restarting itself, it'll take you back to the home page. Now you're good to go. Pick an app, watch a movie or a show. Have a good one.